All right, y'all, we are live on this beautiful Tuesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you're not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed, as the Bitcoin price right now is getting a move to the downside, baby. And as you can see, well, yesterday we came to that level. We were watching it during the stream where we said, you know, we could bounce from here, but I prefer lower. And now we're coming lower, baby. And we are taking out the low from yesterday night. Market Cipher B looking pretty dang scary and berry. Like we've got more downside coming in. Alright. So let's see what happens. Shout out to Dead Cat shorting the likes. Shout out to Investment Time. God bless you. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. Like the stream, guys. Do I sound like I'm on the toilet? Check, check, check. How's the toilet sound? Check, check. Shout out to Justin Barker. Shout out to Jagadesh OP. Shout out to Chris7372. We have an echo. Do we have an echo? We got an echo. Interesting, interesting. All right, let's do a little audio test here. Sometimes when Bitcoin's dumping, we get the echo. I don't know what that's about, so we're gonna have to check it out over here on my end. Huh. What the heck? What the heck is going on here? Some strange stuff going on, guys. Some real strange stuff, I'll tell you. I ain't got an echo. You guys are messing with me in the chat. You guys are messing with me in the chat. What y'all doing to me? Making me... Oh, come on. Come on now. Alright, Christian M, he says, Jason Casper, you're a joke. Jason, you're a joke. Oh my goodness. You're scaring me, man. You're scaring me, making me think I'm a joke. Alright, Bitcoin's coming down to the target. Look at this right now. Alright, we're coming down to 62,300. It's the level that we're going to be quite aware of. Bitcoin's dumping down. Alright, hang on, we've got to get on our monocle. Inspect the price action. We're coming down finally to the target. Bitcoin dumping down to take the liquidity. The bears are dumping the price action down. Alright. Now look, here's the deal, guys. What are we looking for? We are looking for a potential reversal underneath this area, right? Basically, in this whole zone right here, potential reversal. It's a big zone, but we have a number of levels to be aware of. First of all, 62.3. Then, of course, we have the support resistance flip coming in right around here, right? And then, of course, if we take the Fibonacci golden pocket from this little low to the high, we've got the 6 Juanita coming right in around this area, right, in that same box, and we pull it from down here. We got the 6 Juanita also down at the bottom of this box. So we got fib confluence, we got level confluence, we got support resistance flip confluences. As we're dripping down to this box, is there a chance that we bounce from here after simply taking out the lows from September 26th and September 24th? There is a chance, guys, but the liquidity is begging to get grabbed. We're begging to grab it. We're getting a move to the downside. And let us not forget the context, all right? On the daily time frame, we did confirm El Punto Rojo, right? The red dot confirmed on the daily market cipher B. And to be honest with you, it looks like we still have a little bit more room to the downside, right? Just based on the confirmation of this daily red dot, losing daily support now, it just makes it so juicy, looking like absolutely we want to take the liquidity from these lows. I mean, look at this. You got to think to yourself, look at all the liquidity down below. But, you know, at the same time, you know, Bitcoin loves to front run stuff. But I would really prefer a move to the downside to snag that up. Let's go over to EXO charts. Take a look. Shorts opening up. Shorts opening up, longs closing out. All right, we had a lot on this move to the downside. We saw a lot of longs closing, longs liquidated. Then a few shorts actually opening up right here. Man, look at the massive decrease of CVD. Let's zoom out a little bit, take a look. That is a big, scarish, bearish. A big, scarish, bearish. Let's see what happens here. I do want to keep an eye on the 1 hour chart. So, essentially, the potential right now is this. In the moment, we have taken this liquidity, right? You guys see that? We haven't taken all the liquidity, but we've taken liquidity from Monday and Wednesday of last week. And now we are getting a little bit of a reclaim of that level here. This is going to be, right now, a very important level, because if we can reclaim 62,807, well, that could give us more upside potential. If we cannot reclaim 62,807 and we reject from 62,807, which, wow, would you look at that? We kind of are. Then that could give us another big push down to take the lows at 62,355. 62,355. That's what I'm hoping for, guys. That's where I'm holding out, man. I'm holding out. I'm just holding. I'm holding. By the way, make sure to like the stream, because if we can get 1,000 likes in the first half hour, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT, baby. All right, 1,000 USDT. Shout out to Lemon Graphics. He says, yup, bull run canceled. Sell everything and go away for 6 months, please. Bull run setup. Frederick Herlin says, it's so funny when you laugh at the FOMOs. Shout out to David Brumblebow. It wasn't an echo. It sounded more like a gate issue. Okay, cool. Shout out to Steven Siegel. I think it may as well go to 15K further and really clear the liquidity. Man, that would be insane, Steven Siegel. Can you imagine going down that low? Oh, man. That would scare me. I'll tell you. That would really scare me. I would be so scared. I would sell everything I own to buy Bitcoin to sell Bitcoin. If we went down that low, I'd be so scared. I would sell everything to buy Bitcoin so I could sell all that Bitcoin at the exact bottom. So yeah, that would be quite scary. Let's come back to the order flow chart quickly. Let's see what's happening in the momento. Shorts opening up, you know. This may be a bounce here, guys. It may be a bounce. It may be a bounce right here. Oh, man, it may be a bounce. But when we take a look at Market Cipher B, I want to take a look how she's looking on these time frames. So on our 1 minute time frame, Market Cipher B looking very, very oversold. But the money flow looks quite sad. Let's go to the 6 minute. 6 minute as well, guys, looks really sad here. Money flow coming out. Doesn't look very bullish to me. 12 minute. Looking quite sad. No bullish divergences. Very, very oversold momentum wave here. Money flow is looking nice. Money flow is looking nice. So, you know, this kind of thing on Market Cipher B makes me really start to get tasty. Tasty, get hungry for a long trade. All right. Because it means to me, you know, if we are seeing the money flow come higher, right? It just means patience. We want to wait for this to confirm. We got to move to the upside, get another move to the downside. Maybe we do something like this. Then we come down, and finally we can get a nice long entry with divergences. But for right now, unless we can reclaim 62,807, this last support resistance flip right here, there's no reason, in my opinion, to be expecting higher because of the lack of bullish divergences here, right? The real lack of bull divs right here. Of course, if we do come up above here, then maybe we could do something like that. But guys, we're coming down right now. This is very important. We are coming back down to test this. All right, this level right here. Oh, we're losing it again. 62,555. Let's see if we make a lower low. This is very important. 62,555. All right, this is the original level that we were getting a reaction from. All right, let's see. Can we reclaim 62,555, or are we going to stay below? It's a fight, guys. It's a fight. We got the blue candles. We got the blue candle. All right, let's see if we close the 1 minute above at least. Come on, Bitcoin. What are you going to do? Come on. What's she going to do? Shout out to Tino from Traders Reality. He's also live right now. All right. Bitcoin struggling at the level. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to like the stream. We'll be giving away 1,000 USDT. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Bounce from the golden pocket. Market's getting wrecked. It's the port worker strike. Dump eat. Shout out to Joe Potter. Shout out to Lolo. Shout out to Justin Barker again. I already shouted him out. Hey Jay, do you think the bull market is canceled? The bull market's never canceled, my friend. The bull market is never canceled, ever. All right, the bull market is never canceled. Let's check this out. All right, so what is happening right now, guys? Very crucial in the moment. Would you look at this, all right? Bitcoin got a little bit of a bounce, made a move to the upside. So far, making a higher low, bouncing from this Fibonacci golden pocket, 786. All right, let's go to the 5-second time frame here. Let's see what's going on. All right, 5-second. Looking like she's trying to push to the upside. All right. Now, again, a holding above right now, this higher low that we just made, right? A holding above this is means we could see more upside here. All right. We could see more upside here. In fact, 62,807, reclaim of 62,807, we could see a bit more upside here. All right. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's go to our 24-minute chart. Oof, man. All right, so the 24-minute chart, potential, actually, for a move to the upside here. The 1 hour is looking nasty, guys. 1 hour is looking nasty. Oof. To be honest with you, it would be much nicer to see some bullish divergences starting to form here as we are grinding down toward the support. It would be nicer to come a little bit lower here, guys. It would be nicer to come a little bit lower. Let's see what she wants to do. Money flow coming out on the 1. All right. Let's see what she wants to do. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm patiently. I'm waiting for my purple box. All right. Waiting for the purple box. I think Spaceman says, think we get a retrace down to the daily open? We could. Kevin says, Trump 2024. Bear flag printing, baby. V Peoples. Breaking news. I don't know if I'm allowed to say these things, but basically, Black Swan event possible, man. All right. Maybe we get a Black Swan. Let's check out the markets right now. S&P. Let's check out the S&P. Man, can you imagine if we get a Black Swan live? That would be crazy. Is it wrong that makes me excited? I don't know. Let's check out ES. How's the ES doing? Oof. Look at this, guys. S&P 500 taking a massive purple candle dump. Can you even believe it? I can't even believe it. Oh, my goodness. I need these glasses for my dang thumbnails, guys. All right, so S&P 500. All right. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Metals are breaking higher. Let's check out gold right now. Bam, baby. Gold is pumping, man. People are scared. The swan. What color is the swan right now? The swan is not white, I'll tell you that. All right. The swan is definitely not white right now. Oh, man. All right. Gold is pumping like a wild lady. Would you look at this, guys? In the last few minutes, since New York has opened, the last half hour, gold pumping like crazy. The S&P 500, oof, in the last half hour since New York has opened, dumping like crazy. You know, New York does like to give the old 1-2. All right. S&P coming lower. Let's check out the Bitcoin. Bitcoin consolidating in this flag right here. Is it a bear flag? All right. Obviously some kind of a pennant coiling up right now. The Bitcoin price coiling. Is she going to dump or is she going to pump? We come back over to the trade. We're up $8,000 USD in profit. All right. Here we go. Dumping it down. All right. Mr. UK, everyone wants a Black Swan. It's not a Black Swan if everyone is expecting the Black Swan. All right, it has to be unexpected. Rug pull the entire system. All right. Give us a pink swan. News in 7 minutes. We got news in 7 minutes. Mr. UK, you're not allowed to say black. All right, that's very racist of you. I can't believe you would say that. Shout out to Daniel Ramirez, Bitcoin bouncing at Spider Line. Shout out to CryptoFace. Shout out to the Spider Lines. Man, gold is pumping, man. Gold is absolutely pumping. That is so cool. Because look, I myself am a bit of a gold bug, all right? Jason Casper was into gold before he was into Bitcoin. All right, here we go. Bitcoin coiling up in the flag. Let's check out the order flow. The order flow. We're building some potentially either bearish CVD or leading CVD, right? We're seeing more longs than shorts opening here. People are opening up longs here. After massive long liquidations, people are trying to long this right now, locally here. And we do have quite a few shorts opened up here. So let's see what happens. I'm hoping we come a little bit lower. I'm hoping we come just a tad bit lower here, guys. Money flow coming out in the 1 minute. Can we take 62,355? Can we take 62,355? All right, can we come into our purple box of discovery? Price discovery to the downside. All right. Where did people hear about the news? 61K, here we come. Maybe even 57. I mean, worst case scenario in a black swan, right? If you want to talk about the swans being black, am I allowed to say black? If you want to talk about the swans being black. Speaking of black, oh snap, wait, hang on. If you want to talk about black swans, all right, here's what we got to do. We got to pull a fib from the low to the high. All right, we got to pull a fib from the low to the high. If we do get a massive dump, all right, look at this. Look at this. We have the entire point of control of September, of all of September, lining up with the Fibonacci golden pocket. Isn't that very interesting, right? You can see how if the purple box of wonder and discovery doesn't hold, we could get a vacuum suck to the downside. 57.9, right? Again, the purple box of wonder and discovery is this right here. And the reason why this is the purple box of wonder and discovery is because we have, well, the CDW of all last week's lows. We have the support resistance flip back here. And in addition to that, we take the Fibonacci pull, low to high. And what do you see? But the Fibonacci 618 coming in right there as well. So if we lose this, you could see how easily we could get vacuum sucked, like the thing at the bank when you were a kid. You know what I'm talking about? That thing at the bank, your mom would take you to the bank, and she'd put, somehow this thing would come down the chute, right? You don't know how it happened. You still don't really know how it happened, but it happened fast, right? So let's see, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Let's pop back over to the chart. Make sure to like the stream. We got 1,800 people in here, but only 400 likes, and we still have 4 minutes to do the $1,000 giveaway. 4 minutes for a $1,000 giveaway. All right. All right. Bitcoin looking like she might even break out of this, what appears to be a bull flag. Oh man, is she breaking out to the upside? Oh my goodness. This just in. Bitcoin breaking out. Let's go to the S&P 500. S&P 500 struggling with some slight bull divs on the 1 minute. All right, Bitcoin trying to break out of the triangle. Oh my goodness. This is so sensational. I can't think of anything else more sensational than this right now, as we're on the brink of World War III combined with massive volatility, Bitcoin dumping, now getting a blue candle to the upside when we go to the 15-minute order flow chart. What do we see? Nothing too much, but look, we did have some dumb shorts opening up down here, and it looks to me like they're right now coming to their entry. So they either need to defend their entry, or they're getting squeezed, man. You know, look at this. We had shorts open up right here in this candle. They are currently at their entry, a little bit underwater. They are about to get wrecked, the ones who shorted the bottom. Oh man. Oh my goodness, Bitcoin is getting a pump right now, guys. This is insane. Look at this. 2 1-minute candles breaking out of the triangle. All right, the old 1-2 punch, New York City, giving the old 1-2, scare you to the downside, flip it to the up, baby. All right, man, I was really hoping we'd take that dang liquidity. I was planning for it. You know, I was really planning for it. So this is dang it, Bitcoin. Why you always got to do this to me, girl? You always got to string me along, making it seem like we'll go steady. She wants to make it seem like we'll go steady. But nope, never. Never. So frustrating. All right, look at this. We are above 62,807 right now. This is actually, you know, let's see. Let's see. New York, the old 1-2 punch. Can we come a little bit lower? Can we consolidate? Can we come a bit lower here? 9:59 a.m. New York time, baby. All right. Allegedly, there's some news happening here. Let's refresh the page. All right. It is currently, right now, it is 7:59 in the morning. I don't really see any news. Wait, hang on. It's October 1st. Happy October. All right, so yeah, we do have some like manufacturing PMI coming out in a few seconds, guys. We have news coming out in 22 seconds, 21 seconds, guys. This news is coming out. Is it going to affect the markets? Are we going to see Bitcoin do something insane? As the title of the video says, a huge move is about to come. A massive move is about to come as Bitcoin is now holding above 62,800. All right, man, can you imagine if that was it? If that was it? If this is the low, man, I would be so upset if this was actually the low here. Man, dang it, Bitcoin. Dang it, Bitcoin. Dang it, dang it. All right. Job data in 3 minutos, says somebody. That was 3 minutos ago. All right. Are we going to pump or are we going to dump? Looks like we honestly might pump a little bit. Looks like we might pump a little bit. Let's check out the 24-minute. I think we could pump a little bit. All right, I'm gonna go in a little long here, just a little long trade here. All right, I'm gonna FOMO in a long here. All right, gonna FOMO in a long. All right, this is a risky one, guys. It's a risky one. All right, man, this is a risky one. All right, but I just FOMO'd into a long trade right here. All right, let's see what happens. We got news right now. All right, this is either gonna lose me about $600. This is either gonna lose me about $600, or maybe we get a little bit of a pump. All right, so let's go, baby. We got to sing the pump song to pump the price. All right, we got to sing the pump song to pump the price, baby. All right, this is very crucial right now. Very crucial. All right, we got 24-minute potential bullish divs here. All right, 24-minute potential bull divs. We're front-running our actual level. Don't ever do this at home. All right, but for the sake of the massive move and the black swan, and the breakout of the 1-minute triangle and the potential 24-minute divergences, all right, and the potential short squeeze that could ensue now that the shorts are under the Volta. I am officially now in a long trade. All right, let's see what happens. Am I about to get absolutely destroyed? I think what we need to do right now actually is partake of the pump song to really get this thing going. Let's see here. Let's partake of the pump song. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. All right. Let's pull our volume profile. We're going to shoot for the POC up here at 63.5. We'll de-risk there, all right? Take a TP1 up there. Let's see. This is a horrible risk to reward. Horrible. Nah, it's not even worth it. You know what? We'll have to wait until we come up to these highs, guys. All right, there we go. That's the only thing that makes it worth it. Let's try and pump this Bitcoin price a little bit, all right? Let's see what we can do. All right, here we go. Let's pump! Here we go. What's going to happen? It really depends. Yeah! Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on! Go! We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump, baby. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, come on, Bitcoin, come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's do it, baby. Come on, you can do it, Bitcoin.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, yeah, we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go.
Alright. Oh man, the suspense! The risk! It's killing me, baby. Oh. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! Where's the stop loss? Come on, Bitcoin. Don't do this to me now, baby. Come on. Don't do this to me now. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh no. Oh no.
We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we gonna pump. No, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we gonna dump.
No, we're gonna pump right now. Alright, we are trading the Emotions USDT pair, baby. Alright, trading the Emotions USDT pair. Oh man, this is a little bit scary. Alright, I have to admit. Please don't try this at home, alright guys? Come on. Back testing the entry as resistance. Bad sign, guys. Bad sign. Alright. Why did I take the long trade? Jason, you fool. You did it again. Yeah, Jake Casper, he's trading with emotions. Welcome to the show as he's flopping and groping. You know he doesn't trade TA, just open. Now we're dropping back down to the open of the trade. Now we're losing the money. People in the chat laughing. This ain't funny because, hey, look at me, I'm down 300. The Bitcoin price looking like she wants to run drid. Going super fast, Bitcoin gonna pass as we dump back down straight into the grass. Should I close it or should I keep it open? I can't believe I longed it. Jason, you're such a joking. Yeah, but we're coming to the golden pocket. Bitcoin about to bounce, maybe can you spot it? But I doubt, cause we're probably gonna drop it to the liquidity below, then tap it. Yeah, I know I shouldn't have longed. Jason Casper chillin', just singing this song. What an idiot, trading on the internet, looking like he's his but won't get a bed. But now we got a little bit of a blue candle pumping. The Bitcoin beat, you know that she's thumping. Coming back down to 62.6 and the Bitcoin price back to her old tricks. Yeah, look at this blue candle, cause Bitcoin's pumping, but can you get a handle? Yeah, now we're only down 300. The Bitcoin price about to pump, you know, faux show. Hopefully you can keep the market structure. The Bitcoin price is better than any other. Then we come back to the chat. People say I shouldn't have longed, but what you think about that? Sick flow says Delson misled. Vincent man says bro, you're in the head. Bro trades the 1 minute chart. What a joker, he should be a work of art. Oh my goodness, 2,000 in the chat. Make sure to smash the like. What you think about that? Yeah, we didn't hit 1,000 in the first 30 minutes, but if we do it before 30, let me eat the spinach. Maybe we could still do do a giveaway. I'm talking about $500 to give anyway. Depends if I win or lose the trade, cause I got money on the line, that's how we pay. Yeah, Bitcoin dumping again. I'm really scared in my Mercedes Benz. Got the repo people knocking at my friends, saying, where's Jason Casper, gotta take it again. Oh no, trade is in the loss. Looking outside and I see all the moss growing on the rocks, nice like lip gloss, when I'm looking for the next Randy Moss. That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Alright, well, oh man, J Casper flopping broke, man. This was a horrible move. This is a horrible move. What the heck is wrong with me, guys? What the heck is wrong with me? You know? What is wrong with me? Oh, we're back into the triangle. Bitcoin getting like a fry mangle. You ask what a fry mangle is? I don't know. Alright, okay. Well, 24-minute bear divs. You know, we took the liquidity. We got a reclaim of the level. I figured, what the heck, man? You know, valid CDW, let me go for it, even though we're waiting for lower. But, let's see. Honestly, it's such a dumb thing to do it right before your level. This is a good example of what never to do, alright? Don't ever take a trade when your level is so close below, right? So close. We're just waiting for Bitcoin to come down to this level. Now I'm just, you know, sometimes you wake up in the morning and you question yourself, man. You question yourself. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oof. Looks like I'm risking more than $600. Man. Oh man. This is not good. This is not good. Oh my goodness. What a huge waste of money. What a waste of money. Oh man. What a waste. What a waste. This is for sure the Floppin' and Grope show, guys. The Flop and Grope show featuring Jason Casper. Alright. Oh. Jason. What a fool. Dang it, Jason. Alright. Alright, let's see here. Did I close the trade? Nah, I didn't close the trade. Alright. Dang it. You know, I should have just waited for my level, guys. Should have been more patient, but I was hoping we would get some kind of crazy move, you know? I was hoping we could catch it live on the internet. Live on the internet, you know? So, don't trade and stream, guys. Alright, so we got to get our monocles on. We've got to reinspect the price. Look, it is what it is. You take a loss, you move on to the next one. Alright, you take a loss, you move on to the next one. Alright, yesterday made $4 on that long trade. Today, about to lose $1,000. About to lose $1,000. Oh my goodness, look, easy come, easy go. Alright, so, you know what, to take my mind off the loss, quickly to take my mind off the loss, we're going to take a look at our other open positions, alright? At least we're still up $8,500, which minus 1,000 is about 7,500. But we're still looking to come down to the box. Alright, let's see what happens. Going to go to the 1 minute. There's still a chance. There's still a chance, a very slight chance. Alright, but there's still a chance, but it's ever so slight. Alright, we're bouncing from the 786. Let's pop on back to the chart here. Alright, my man says it'll pull up. Oh, we're getting a little bit of a pull up. A little bit of the... Oh yeah, we got a little British trader, alright. Byron Miller, he says you sound like me. Yeah, we're a bit in a pinch. That's what it is. Absolutely. All right. We're getting a little bit of a pullback up to the upside. Come on, Bitcoin. Can we get a little bit of a pullback to the upside? We came down to the local 786. The 786 looked at us like this. She said, Jason, perhaps there's a chance. All right. It's a very slight chance, but perhaps there's a chance. Jason, slight chance, but perhaps there's a chance. Yes, of course. There's always a chance. Ha ha. Okay. Let's check out actually what's going on here on the order flow. I mean, honestly, nothing really much, guys. Nothing really too much. Nothing really too much. All right, so we're here. We're in the red. We're down, guys. We're in the red today. It's a red day. All right, it's a red day. $39,000 long. Wednesday, we're bullish. Probably, you know how that goes day to day. But look, in all seriousness, I do have to say this. Let's go to the 12. Man, what a fool I was for long in this. You know, I should have really waited until we made another lower low. It was the 24-minute that convinced me here. A 24-minute wave right here could give us a big push to the upside. The 24-minute wave could give us a significant push to the upside. But man, this 6-minute time frame is not looking great at all. So here's the real deal, all right? This red dot on the daily, in my opinion, means, as I said in the beginning, if we're not going to get a bounce from this zone right here, we will be bearish for the rest of the week, really. If we're not going to get a fast reversal from this box, we will be bearish for the rest of the week, and potentially longer. Because the last time we had the red dot, we were bearish for... Red dot confirmed, and then we were bearish for the next 10 days. Red dot confirmed up here, and we were bearish for the next 7 days, right? And if you guys remember, this red dot, I said this was not going to be bearish, and I was correct. But this red dot definitely looks more bearish here, all right? All right, Bitcoin putting in the struggle, man. She's putting in the struggle right here. She's putting in that struggle, all right? Yeah, red dot means usually a week of bearish. Rastafari and Jay. I don't know. Can I go Rastafari? Let's give it a shot. See if I can. It takes some time for me to... Yeah, man. To go Rastafari, man. It's not so easy to do. But hopefully, maybe that could pump the price a little bit if we go Rastafari. What do you guys think? Should we give it a shot? Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, we need El Punto Verde. Yeah, man, it's a Jason Casper, man. As I would come to the chart today, let me hear you say, I'm not very good at this accent, but we will give it a shot anyway. It might start to sound a little Indian, a little Pakistani, but we'll give it a shot, man. Okay. Hey yo man, it's your boy Jason Casper. We're coming to the chart to make Bitcoin pump faster. We took a long trade right from the bottom, but now we dump down. Can you spot them? Then we come to the chart over here and we see how it's looking, my friend over there. I can't do it, I'm sorry guys. I can't do it. I gave it a good shot, alright? I gave it a good shot. It's just not gonna work, alright? It's not gonna work. Crypto Hunter wants to know, Jason, do you read the chat? No, never. Was it good? Alright. It was Chinese accent. Alright. It sounded like Hitler. Okay. You just came into the stream now. Well, you did miss the rap in the beginning, alright? We did some raps in the beginning. Alright. Come on, Bitcoin. This is painful to watch right here. This is painful. Looks like we're not going to bounce from that 786, man. Looks like we should have just waited and been patient. You know, let this be a lesson to all. You gotta wait and be patient. You gotta wait and be patient. You gotta wait and be patient. Yeah, that is a head and shoulder, honestly. Was that Jamaican, man? Okay. Alright, Leah, let's check the news. I forgot we had the news that came out here. Alright, so. Let's refresh here. It's 8:18 in the morning. Alright, so. Job openings. This is bad for Bitcoin. This is good for the dollar, right? It's higher than expected. That's good for the dollar, bad for Bitcoin. Manufacturing PMI, you know, technically speaking, this is bad for the dollar. So we got mixed signals here, guys. We got mixed signals on the news. Mixed signals on the news. Bitcoin forming a bear flag over here. All right. Oh my goodness. Ah, what an idiot, Jason Casper. Seriously, what an actual fool. What an absolute fool. John making me set the stop loss, man. 42k incoming, man. GBK tracking is whack, man. All right. All right. Nice Uptober so far. Yeah, I mean, look at this massive blue candle right here. Look, we sang the pump song to try and pump it. The pump song dumped it, but as we know, the pump song does have delayed effect. All right. Pump song has a delayed effect. And let's see what else is going on over here. All right, let's see. I mean, nothing too much. Let's check out Market Cipher again. We've got 1 minute. 1 minute, you know, maybe there's a little hope on the 1 minute, all right? Maybe there's a little hope here, all right? If that 24-minute gives us a green dot, baby, that could be our saving signal, all right? The saving signal right here. Maybe we got to move up to the value area low. That's how she goes. Shout out to Big Butch 28. That's juicy. All right. El Punto Rojo. Exit the trade. Nah, I'm not going to exit the trade. Look, I don't exit trades. I let them play out, you know. I let them play out. I try not to flop and grope. If I make a decision, I got to commit. If I make a decision, I've got to commit to it, right? I made the decision, now I got to live with the consequences, whether they be positive or negative. That's the way it is. If you second guess yourself, trust me, you're going to regret it more than you won't regret it, all right? Look at this. Blue candle's pumping. All right, blue candle's pumping. I cannot believe this, guys. This is pretty crazy right here, all right? We've taken the liquidity from the last few weeks, all right? Make sure to smash the likes, guys. By the way, we have 2,400 people, 900 likes. Here we go, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This head and shoulders better not play out, but for right now, we're in the green, if you know what I mean. All right, shout out to Tupac, by the way. You know, here we go, about to pump it up. Oh yeah, about to pump. Yeah, Bitcoin about to pump. Bitcoin. All right, coming back to the entry, baby, but can we pump it up? All right, yeah. $44 in the green. Yeah. To the long trade, 44 up in the green as we're trading on the treadmill, if you know what I mean. Jay Casper in the house, looking like a machine. To the charts, trades turning green. Oh no, now we're getting a rejection. The Bitcoin price trying to change the direction. If we break out, then we get an erection. All-time high, mad introspection. As I sit and I think, if I made the wrong decision with my drink, putting money down when I should have to think about not losing things when I'm looking outside in the sink. Better get on my pirate hat. Arr, Jason Casper, what you think about that? Not a price, it's pumping higher. Hopefully we reach an all-time high, yeah. But sometimes we gotta get the monocle to put it in an eye, like a nice barnacle. Talking about the creatures at the beach, sitting in the sand, eating a nice peach. Cause we said perhaps we get a CD dub, as the Bitcoin price is looking for some love. Got a nice hand and I got a nice glove. Hopefully we pump it back up to the rub. Yeah, make a higher high, then the Bitcoin breaks out and starts to fly. When we take a look at Market Cipher B, take a look and what do we see? Well, I see something nice on the left, something little skinny right here on the right. AKA the uneven butt cheek pattern keeps me up and I'm dancing all night. So we're gonna take a screenshot of the butt cheeks, put them on the chart and then we take a peek. Got the big left and the skinny on the right. Girl, look at that booty thing is looking alright. Oh no, now we're coming back down. Got the purple candles, Bitcoin's dumping. Can you even handle? Jay, better put your money where your mouth is. Got a nice jug in case I gotta take a piss. Yeah, always keep it on the side, but I got the depends just in case they ride, cause I don't wanna get liquidated. Maximum absorbency, I'm not waiting to use the toilet when I have to go. Now sit back and listen to my crypto flow, cause we got a head and shoulders, what do you know? About to dump back down, then it hits the flow. But people say this is a bear flag. Jason Casper, don't be a fag. I hope you're not offended at the word. Talking about a bundle of sticks on fire. Haven't you heard? That's the true meaning of the word in English. Hopefully you know that and don't get too pissed, because my trade's on fire, burning to the ground like a bundle of sticks in a tire. Yeah, now we're negative 160. Bitcoin dumping like 50. Now we're coming back up. Got the Bitcoin price about to be chilling up in the cup. Got the plunger in my hand as we're driving through the sand on the beach, land to land. Okay, we're done. So that worked a little bit, guys. It wasn't Rastafari, okay? But it did work a little bit, okay? It did work a little bit, all right? Shout out to Preparing for War, Holding It with the Wrench. Shout out to HFG. Shout out to Splash for our films. Shout out to Mang. Shout out to Daniel H. Food shortages on some foods because of port worker strike all over the news. That's actually a good line. Yeah. Food shortages on some foods because of port workers all over the news. We got food shortages on some foods because of port workers striking the news. Yeah, yo Jay, we got the food shortages. Bitcoin price looking for the mortgages. They say, what if we're out? Supply chain's down. Now I gotta pout. This is why it's so important, my friends. Now listen to me. Go to the store and buy a bunch of seeds. You got any grass outside? Take the seed, put it in the ground, and grow some food to eat. It's so important to grow your own food. If you don't, I'm not trying to be rude, but when things go down and there's no food around, you gotta grow it yourself. Things are safe and sound. For thousands of years, people grew their own food. They raised some animals like chickens too, but these days people think the food comes from the store. Guess what? That's not true anymore. You get a storm coming through and the port closes down, then you can't eat for days. You're feeling kinda round, but you're losing all the weight on your belly and your thighs. The Bitcoin price is trying to rise, cause we came back down to support, bouncing from the level. Short's about to get hoards. Hopefully we don't lose it. The Bitcoin price, man, you can't choose it. Yeah, that's why I'm such a proponent of growing your own food at home and not being reliant on the grocery store, because when the ports close down, you can't open your door to go out to ShopRite or Food Lion. Buying some food, people then be spying on their neighbors to try and break in to get some food, steal for breakfast, and then we're coming back down. Bitcoin blue candle. Hopefully we turn around on good old Excel charts. Mad liquidations under VWAP like a work of art. But the OI, it keeps on decreasing. The Bitcoin price is going outside streaking, cause she ain't got no clothes. She's going down as far as it goes. But I shouldn't have longed, I should have waited for my level, shouldn't have taken all that losses. Now I'm stuck beveling out when I'm looking for the next support. But now I lost $1,000 cause my longs got hoards. Just trading in the triangle, bit price, hopefully another angle. We can see the ice and rise to Spangle. To the 618, then we take a profit mango. Yeah, if we get out, got the barbed wire on the fence, smiling in a pound. Come back to good old market Cipher B. Coming back down between you and me. Not looking so good, she's not doing what she should. Outside, bad or good. Oh man, I just lost the flow, guys. It's hard to flow when you're in the red, man. It's hard to flow when you're in the red. This is a triangle though, obviously. We're making higher lows and lower highs. Alright, but seriously guys, grow your own food, man. Grow your own food. That's so dang important, right? It's so important to grow your own food. Alright? You know? Come on, Bitcoin, come on. Erdogan said Turkey is next after Iran. He said that about what? About war? Mostly you do exercise. That's true. Yeah, mostly I do exercise. All right. Veteran Crypto just harvested the garden. That's what's up. All right. NASDAQ dropping to the ground. All right. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. All right. Treadmill is stopped. So hang on. Let's take a look at NASDAQ. Oh my goodness, NASDAQ. Oh man, NASDAQ. Not looking so great, man. Not looking so great for NASDAQ. What is this white line here? I don't know what that white line even is. Oh, it's the support resistance flip. All right, come on, NASDAQ. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh man, this is not looking good for Bitcoin, guys. This is not looking good for Bitcoin. But, all right, so look. We lose the level. We come back down a little bit lower. We're going to come into our target zone here, all right? We're going to come into our target zone where we could actually look for a bounce. And if we don't bounce from this target zone, guys, we could very easily come down to 57.9, 58K. So I am hoping that we hold here. I really am. You know, I really am. All right? So, you know, when you zoom out and you look at your swing longs, things don't look so bad, you know? When you look at your swing longs, things don't look so bad, but when you're long in the red, things look pretty bad. All right? Shout out to Stop Longing Now, Future Crypto Fund, Union Dumped the Market, Jason Bitcoin Survey, let's go. All right. Dome Life says, I walked fast. I don't want to say the real name of the country, so I'm going to say I walked really fast instead of the other word. It's about to attack. I don't know any other word to replace this next one. Any moment. World War III coming, says Dome Life. We'll have to see, man. We'll have to see how everything goes, you know? But, let's see. Oh, no. All right, let's watch the loss together, guys. We're going to watch the loss together, all right? Q4 is going to be a monster, says John B. Shout out to Aaron Duran. Alex says it's fake. John Sowell says LOL. The White House just announced the Iran missile strike on Israel will happen. Will happen, for sure. All right. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Look at this dump. This is, oh, my goodness. This is crazy. All right. I wonder why this happened. Let's see what the president has to say.
Now, let me be clear. I've been dead since 2019, and every time you've seen me on TV, it's either been a deep fake or a body double. But the science is settled. This is all Trump's fault.
All right, looks like the mainstream is blaming Trump for this dump, guys. What does that mean? Do you think, can you trust the mainstream? Does anyone trust Joe Biden? All right, let's get a poll going in the chat, okay? We're going to get a poll in the chat. Is Bitcoin going to pump or dump? Man, this trade is definitely a loss, man. We're losing the triangle. All right. We'll take a poll, though. Bitcoin pump or dump? All right, we're taking a poll here. All right, Bitcoin pump or dump. All right, let's get in the action here. 61K long, says Iman. Oh wait, no, Future Crypto Fund. Can you make a vid of explaining of simple terms like CBD? Yeah, I made tons of vids, Vikram. Just search Jason Casper CBD. You'll find tons of free stuff. All right. Everything is dropping except gold. All right, it's because of the news. All right, we got bearish news, guys. We got bearish news. All right. All right, if the White House says it, it must be real. Okay. Hang on. I've got some news. Actually, hang on. I just got a text message from Trump. Actually sent me a video message. He says it's not really his fault. He says it's Kamala Harris's fault.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle, baby.
All right. Let's see what happens, guys. We're going to check out the news. All right. News. We're going to go to news. We're going to just search for news. Breaking news. You know, here in Mexico, people don't seem to be too concerned. Over here in Mexico, seems like, I still got this timer on here, huh? Over in Mexico, people don't seem to be too concerned about it, right? But, let's see. This is the top stories today in Mexico. Let's go to CNN. Let's see what CNN has to say. The U.S. believes... Hang on, let's refresh this here. That Iran is preparing for imminent... Oh, man. Come on. But the... Attack. Oh! What? Hang on. Alright, let's click it. Here we go. Alright, we got news. 10:31 a.m. EDT, Eastern Daylight Time, I think. So this is a few minutes ago. It's about 5 minutes ago. Live updates from CNN. Alright. So we got news coming out. Let's see how Bitcoin's doing. Oh! Guys! The trade is stopped out in a loss. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's pop on our chart here. Let's see. We didn't even hit our box yet, guys. We did not even hit our dang box. This is so frustrating. Alright, we didn't even hit the box yet, but let's wait and see. Man, I can't believe I took that long trade. What a fool I was. I should have waited for my box, guys. Alright. Should have just waited for the box, man. Now look at this. Look at this now. Look at this now, guys. Look at this. The market makers. Stop me out and then pump it. That's crazy, man. Oh, man. Welcome to the Flop and Grope Show with your boy Jason Casper. Oh, did ByBit take the low? ByBit took the low? Hang on. Hang on 1 second here. Did ByBit take the low? Nah. Did ByBit take the low? Or did we get a double bottom? Nah, she didn't take the low. She didn't take the low, alright? She didn't take it yet, but... Man, these front-run CDWs here, this is honestly... This is making me a little bit, Oof, the 1 minute does look nice. Man. I'm done, though. I'm done getting into longs, man. It is what it is. After that... I'm not going to go in based on our 1 minute. How's our 12 minute? How's our 6 minute? Actually, that's what I really want to see. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. You know. Look at that. We just front ran that by a little bit. That's crazy. And on other exchanges, let's check out Coinbase. What did Coinbase do? Coinbase didn't take it. Coinbase didn't take it. All right, okay. All right, we'll chill. We'll chill out. All right, we're waiting for lower still. All right, we'll wait for lower. Now that we're waiting for lower, we're gonna pump. That's how it works, guys. MEXC took the lows, huh? Let's check out MEXC. Nah, MEXC didn't take the lows. MEXC did not take the lows. I wouldn't consider those lows to be taken yet. Alrighty. Man, what a crazy show, huh? What a crazy live. It's been nuts. It's been wild. I'll tell you. It's been nuts and wild. All right, guys. Shout out to everybody in the chat. We got about 2,400 people in here. Let's smash up the likes. Looks like a double bottom. I don't like double bottoms, you know. Did I get liquidated? No, my stop loss got hit, man. I don't get liquidated. All right, we know about the news, guys. All right, 61.5 is a good bottom. Yeah, 61.5 is a good bottom. Learning German is long. All right. Hoppy is a G says, don't kitty cat out, Jace. Man, look, I'm just not in the mood right now to open up a freshie, all right? I really want to take that low. I made the mistake of not waiting for my dang plan, and I took a loss on it. So now I'm going to be either waiting for my level, or I'm going to have to live with the pain of making the wrong decision and then price going in that direction anyway, you know? You know? Let's see what's going on the order flow. We got shorts opening up. I'm just going to chill, guys. I'm just going to chill, right? I'm not going to be doing anything right now. I'm just going to chill. I'm just going to chill. All right? Breaking news. The news has been broken. Bull div incoming. Yeah, we could really get a bull div, guys. I mean, technically speaking, we could have a bull div here. Revenge trade it back. I'm not going to revenge trade it back. All right, I'm not going to revenge trade it back. As much as I want to. I'm not going to do it. Oh, man. I want to revenge trade it back, guys. I really do. But I'm gonna wait it out, all right? I'm gonna wait it out. I'm gonna wait it out. But man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I mean, it's looking like we could get the lower time frames are looking like we could get a nice move, right? Let's check out the 3-minute here. The 3-minute. The 24-minute. Really, so in the context of the 24-minute right now, if this 6-minute, technically speaking, we got a bull div on the 6-minute, the 5-minute, nice little bull div, the 3-minute, some nice bull divs, the 1-minute, looking really nice, actually. The 1-minute looks really nice. Look at that money flow cross, that nice bullish div money flow, looking nice on the 1-minute. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, Jason. What a fool. You know? What a fool. All right, well. Let's see how she goes. Let's see how she goes. Yeah, 1-minute money flow back into the green. Absolutely, absolutely. How do you spot a bull div? Basically, when price is getting lower and the oscillator is getting higher, that's a bull div. So this right here is a bull div. Price got lower, oscillator got higher. Money flow crossing from purple to blue. It looks really nice, actually. It looks really nice. Looks really nice. But look, I wasn't very disciplined in my last trade, so now I have to make up for it by not taking this trade, all right? Sometimes you got to build discipline by seeing a trade to take and not taking it. That'll help you build discipline too. You know, it is what it is. I made a bad decision. Now I'm just going to sit this. I'm going to sit this out. We're going to watch and see and wait. Watch and see and wait how this plays out, all right? Could pump like a wild lady. Could dump and take our levels. All right? Could pump, could dump and take our levels. Resistance right now, first resistance 63.27, and then second resistance is 63.7, just based on the range. And if we go ahead and pull a fib from high to low, yeah, we could see that. It's pretty much what we see. All right, let's check out very low time frame order flow here. All right. All right, shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Go back to the date when Russia invaded Ukraine and look at the dump. When did that happen? Was that like February 2022? Around the time, February 2022? Yeah, I know. I feel you, GBK. I'm going to be waiting for that or doing nothing. All right. Shout out to Preparing For. He says, Jason, check the macro breakout and retest on XRP. All right, let's check it out. XRP, the sleeping giant. What macro breakout and retest are we talking about? This is the daily. Is it volume? Maybe I'm not seeing it. All right. Maybe I'm not seeing it preparing for war. You know? Did I talk about bullish divergence on the monthly for Bitcoin? No, I didn't talk about the bullish divergence on the monthly for Bitcoin. What in the world are you talking about? Bullish div on the monthly for Bitcoin? What in the world are you talking about, man? What in the world are you talking about? Ain't no bullish div. There's a bearish div on the monthly for Bitcoin. And even worse than that, there's a 2-monthly bearish div. You confusing your bulls and your bears again? I confuse my bulls and my bears. All right. It's crazy. Had a bull I was raising, and raising it for beef, and I accidentally shot the bear. Sent the bear to the processor, and that was a really awkward thing because it turns out it was against the law to shoot that bear. Got myself in a lot of trouble doing that. So I wouldn't confuse the bulls and the bears, to be honest with you. All right, but look at this, man. Coinbase getting a little bit moved to the downside here. Take out the 1 hour. Yeah, I think we could still. I would love to come and take the lows. Honestly, guys, I'll be honest with you. I'm leaning more bearish than bullish. I'm going to be looking for a bounce, but I am going to be cautious with any like major positions that I take in this area, because the fact that we're coming down here like this makes me feel like we're going to get a big follow through, right? The fact that we took the low and got a little bit of a bounce and then took these lows and got a little bit of a bounce, usually the sign of a good liquidity grab is a free fall, and then a quick wick. And when you do something like this, and get a little bounce, and then, and get a little bounce, and get a little bounce, and get a little bounce, usually, the big one comes after that, all right? So just be cautious, because we are looking for support at support. But, just don't get wrecked, all right? Don't do what I did, all right? Just make sure you have good confirmation. Make sure you're sticking to your plans. Good confirmation, stick to your plans, all right? The upper trend on XRP. I don't know, preparing for war. Is there any way you can send me a screenshot? Oh. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, I see what you're saying. On the 1 hour time frame, you're looking at this. Preparing for war is looking at this. Interesting, man. All right, interesting. Nice. I mean, I have no good words to say about XRP. I'm very bitter towards XRP. So, I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. But yeah, it is a nice support resistance flip for sure. And we got the break, and now we're getting a retest. Yeah, for sure. So my plan with XRP is still the same, y'all. for XRP, I want to basically, I'm going to buy XRP at 28 cents. I'm going to sell XRP at $2. I'm going to buy it at 20 cents. I'm going to sell it at $2. I'm going to split the profits with you guys. All right. That's my plan for XRP. That's my plan for XRP. All right. Come on, Bitcoin. Can we get a little bit more dumpage here? Can we get a bit more dumpage? All right. Shout out to Johan von Lille. What do you think Turbo's going to do? Turbo, thank you so much for the super chat. We'll take a look at Turbo. Turbo, USDT. Well. Turbo. Let's take a quick look here. Turbo. So, this is the weekly. Let's go to the daily. The weekly is tough to say. The daily has a bear div right up here. All right, so we've got some bear divs at this high. To be honest with you, what I would love to see for this is to take all the lows and bounce from the golden pocket. That would be really nice. Just basically wreck everybody long from here and then reverse because that would give us some really nice bullish divs on the daily. If we get a trigger wave like this as the money flow is crossing, this kind of thing, as we come down to like 2.3 cents, that could be pretty nice. That could be pretty nice. That'd be super nice, actually. That's what I would be interested in. But right now we have bearish divs on the daily, so look, we're making lower highs, so this is just pure consolidation. Whenever you're consolidating, you got two choices. All right, three choices. You could get in here expecting a breakout. All right. You could wait until we come back down to the bottom of the consolidation, so somewhere around the historic lows, right? And get in here. Or DCA as you're coming back down toward the bottom of the consolidation. That's like one option. The option I like the best is wait for everybody to get wrecked and then get in. Because that's where you're most likely to get a reversal. And if we extrapolate on the chart what it could look like, this would look extremely bullish. Extremely bullish. Now, I don't know anything about Turbo. All right? Never traded it. Don't own it. Never heard of it before. So let's come back to our low time frames here. Bitcoin looking like she wants to take a tank. Uh-oh. I shouldn't say tank. Shout out to Justin. He says, Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua the Messiah. All right, here we come. Here we go. We're looking to take the lows, all right? Come on, Bitcoin. Quit playing games with our hearts. The music is so intense, too. You guys hear this music? Thoughts on the mark of the beast? Don't take it! That's my thought. Don't take the mark, baby. Shout out to Abjude in the chat. Abjude incoming. Am I still long? No, I'm not still long, Trader Boy. That long got stopped out a while ago, man. All right, shout out to Preparing for War. Altcoin discussion. All right. I'll check it out, man. All right, Preparing for War. I got you, man. This is what we're looking at right here. Oh, wow. I see what you're saying. That's crazy. So you're talking about this massive trend line. Interesting, bro. Yeah, I mean, hey, low risk, high reward. Low risk, high reward. Look at that. 121% move we're potentially looking at here. Yeah. Looking juicy. Looking juicy. You know what's not looking so juicy is Bitcoin right now. What the heck is she doing? What in the world is going on with this? What boring price action? All right. What boring price action? I feel you, Robin. Yeah, come on. Come on. This is... You must take the mark, otherwise you won't be able to send cryptos. That will be true at some point, Abju. That absolutely will be true, man. That will be true. All right, 57K incoming. Learning German, you just told me the long, bro. Dang. Flopping and groping myself over here. Causing me to flop and grope. Bitcoin looks like a falling wedge. What's the music I'm bumping? It's called Thieves Hype Music. This is it right here. 100 Thieves Hype Tracks, Volume 2, free music to stream and game and vibe to. By the way, it's not free because I get hit with the copyright every single time I do this stream. So, not a copyright strike, but a demonetization. Alright, but it's still good. It's still good music. Alright, now we just wait. Now we just wait. Now we play the waiting game. Shout out to Memory Man. God bless you, bro. Good to see you here. Yeah, I know we're waiting for the drop any minute now. We're waiting for that drop. What are the signs we're waiting for? We're waiting for some kind of a move. All right, we got bearish news, worldwide war 3.0. We're waiting for some kind of move down to some kind of level here. The crypto face pump incoming. Is crypto face live? Is crypto face live? I know he was live earlier. Looks like he is not live right now. All right. All right, we're getting that move down. It looks like we're coming down. All right. Looks like we're coming down. Did CryptoFace, is he live? Did he long? Is CryptoFace long? Nah, he's not long. Well, he might be long still. If he is, he's in the red if he's still in that same trade from yesterday. Yeah, the liquidations need to cascade. Yeah, let's see if we can't catch a long right at 61K. That would be nice, right? 61K. Let's see. I'll open a freshie at 61K. I'll open a freshie at 61K. Not even joking. I'll open a freshie. We gotta wait. Sheesh, Bitcoin. This is the most frustrating price action I've ever seen in my life, guys. What? I need some help in the chat, guys. Tell me what I should look at. What should we look at in the chat? he was short yesterday. I saw him in a long yesterday. My thoughts on WorldCoin. I don't really have any thoughts on it. I know it's where you have to scan your eye, right? People were freaking out about it a while ago. CF was long looking for shorts. Matt Eagle says blaze up and wait. All right. I guess we'll have to do what Matt Eagle says. Let's blaze up and wait. All right. Take a little of this. All right. Pack it in. Ah, yes, I do say, my friends, young chaps and old lads, looks like the Bitcoin price is just giving us some gay price action today, if you know what I mean. I don't mean that in an offensive way, I simply mean infertile price action. We can't multiply our crypto gains with price action like this. Just doesn't work this way. You can't make money with two of the same color candles. You need a purple and a blue together in order to get some kind of percentage gain on your longs or your shorts. Ah, yes, my dear chaps. Alright. Stop fudding with WW3. Man, WW3's been fudded since 2022. You know? I remember I did make a title called World War III Bitcoin something. And the FUD didn't even work that great. But, man, the world's a crazy place, guys. It really is. It's insane. Shout out to Lauren in the chat. Shout out to Crypto Static 66K 75, but it's a time position. Okay. I might get the shutdown. Well, maybe I will, preparing for war. And if I get the shutdown, then like I said, I'll just take it as a sign that I'm not supposed to do this anymore. Not supposed to do YouTube no more. And that's okay. Alright, here we go. We're getting the move down. Toward the 60,500 liquidity. I'm looking, yeah, maybe. What liquidity do we have at 60,500? I'm looking more at the 60. I'm looking more at the support resistance split, but yeah, I guess around there. Toward the bottom of this purple box, you're looking. Yeah, I would open up a freshie from this area right here, to be honest with you. I'm going to be looking for a simple loss of 62.3, but taking out all these guys first would be the best. All right, here we go, baby. Dump incoming. Make sure to like the YouTube. Make sure to like... Okay, here we go. We're losing the level now. Taking it on all exchanges. Alright. The BingX taking the level as well. Getting a bounce right from 62.3. Not the best looking CDW in the world. Because, well... You'd want to see, like, more of a wick on it, to be honest with you. You'd want to see more of a wick. Let's check out Google. Not Google. TradingView. Oof, that 5 hour looks nasty. Oof, the 1 hour money flow looks nasty. 24-minute divergences look like they're invalidating. 12-minute money flow coming down. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. We're in the box, all right? We just hit our target. All right, we just hit our target, but let's see if we don't get a flush. I feel a flush coming. You guys feel a flush coming? Put a one in the chat if you feel a flush coming. You guys feel a flush? Shout out to Lauren, was born in a bear market, so you're living for it. Look at the massive negative delta. Let's check out the order flow. I don't really, it's not happening on a decrease of OI, so this is a squeeze thus far. It's a long squeeze, all right? All right, we got lots of ones in the chat here. People are feeling a flush. It's a good thing we got our plungers. All right, it's a good thing we got our dang plungers, y'all. All right, we're looking to open up a freshie in our purple box if we get a big flush. See if we don't get a big flush down to that golden pocket. Down to the golden pocket. Am I out of my long? The long I was in before has been stopped out long ago. The other long I'm in is still open. So this swing long from the low here is still open. And really, I'm looking for a bounce from this area to add to the trade still, you know? But we got to be careful. We got to be careful. Nemanaj says it's not going to drop more. Let's see. I feel like we could flush down a little bit more here. Let's see if we can't get another little toilet bowl. Another little toilet bowl flush. And let's put on some levels. Let's take a look at ByBit. I have to be honest with you. All right, ByBit just took some more liquidity here. So we have this CDW that ByBit just took right here. Did she take it? Yep, she took it. 61,808. 61,808. She took that. Let's check out our 6 minute. 6 minute money flow looking like poo. You know, she took that liquidity at 61,808. Let's see if we can't come down a little bit lower. But this is definitely a potential area of support. Let's see if we can't come down a bit lower here. Crypto Faces live. Looks like he's in a 20x short. Should you long now? I mean, you do what you want, but I would like to come down a bit lower. The 61.3 area, that support resistance flip, down to around the $61,000 zone. Because we didn't get a CDW of this. You know, we didn't get a CDW of this. Whoa, I just got a trading alert. Let's see what happened on the low time frame here. Alright, ByBit made another low. Whoa! What was that? That's crazy. Do you see that? You guys see that? That blue candle? That's nuts. Do you guys see that? Oh, man. Now, that's what I call a reaction. Look at that. That's nuts. Something's going on. Something's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. There's some kind of thing going on. Check out order flow quick. Looks like a lot of shorts took profit there. A lot of shorts took profit at that low. That's what happened. Shorts taking profits. Yeah, let's see. What did CryptoFace do? CryptoFace is not live yet. CryptoFace is not... He's not live yet. No, he's not live yet. He's not live yet, but... That's crazy goings on right now, alright? Let's see what happens here. I mean, you got a little reaction, so if you want to take, you know, a gambly long, see something crazy happening, you got invalidation below the low, potentially looking to come back up, get a little squeeze before lower. Very risky, but it's low risk because you're talking about a 0.3% stop. You know, 0.3% stop. You know, when you see something crazy out of the normal happening, right? It's crazy because I got my take profit set down here at 61,450. 61,450. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. Get a back test before another drop. Let's come up, maybe get a back test. The golden pocket, maybe 2.5 to 1, even still, just back test the golden pocket. Absolutely crazy. Let's see what's going to happen first. Do you think? What's going to happen first? You think we're going to retest 62.5 first or 61,450? We're going to take a poll. All right, we'll take a poll. We'll take a poll quick. Take another poll. All right, let's take the poll and let's see what you guys have to say. Let's see what you guys have to say. All right, now before we get up to the golden pocket, the back test of 62,300 is also quite likely here. All right, So we're looking potentially for something like this first. Alright, but it's not worth it. This long trade's not worth it if you're taking a profit here, unless you just like to go quick in, quick out, and you don't worry about risk to rewards. Alright. Let's see. Let's see how she's gonna do. Alright, what do you guys think? Most people think it's about 50-50. It's about 50-50 right now. It's about 50-50. It's about 50-50. $63.5 makes sense. Liquidity building. $63.5. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see what happens with this. Man, should I take a profit now on the short? Nah, I'm not gonna take a profit now on the short. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Let's check to see like what NQ and ES is doing. Not very much. They're not really doing very much. This is the S&P 500 getting a little bit of a looking a little bit bottoming here. A little bit bottoming here on the S&P. All right. Let's check out NQ. NQ. A few tiny little blue candles. Little tiny few. The few blue. Hang on. Crypto Face is live. Crypto Face is in a short. Crypto Face shorted where I longed. That's so funny. Crypto Face shorted where I longed. Shout out to Crypto Face. I'm gonna have to mute his stream. I'm gonna keep it on, but I'm gonna have to mute it because all right, NQ dumping again, baby. 61K and then 60 and then 59, says Abjude. So true, Maxtro. This is so true. I was really expecting 67K. I was really expecting 67K. And, but, you know, we're at where we're at, basically. You know, this was supposed to be a much larger position size as we came up to 67K. Is this the time to buy? I mean, honestly, this could be a bottom. Is it likely? Let's check out market Cipher. This could be so the idea behind a trade from here. Let me pull up TradingView real quick. The idea behind a long from here is we just took the liquidity from 61,808. And we saw a pretty significant reaction there, so that was out of character. This little bounce thingy, right? You have a really tight invalidation, like a 0.3% stop. Technically speaking, we've got the 24-minute divergence. Let's check out our 12. I mean, you know, I'd say we could come back up. Yeah, we've definitely got some divs here. We could this could be the time to buy, right? But I'd be looking for a move back up to around the golden pocket. So this is what I'm looking for right now. Looking for a move up to. Well, first we backtest 62.3, but then we backtest 62.5. We backtest 62.5. How much are you paying for fees? It depends on the exchange. Oh, I accidentally put 63.5 in the poll. Whoops. Can't type and walk, guys. Sorry, can't type and walk at the same time. Alright? Can't type and walk at the same time, guys. Let's see what's happening on order flow. Nothing too much, to be honest with you. Volume was really... I mean, that last wick to the downside, we saw a lot of people wrecked. We're not really seeing any new longs coming in here, so if we do get this retracement, so far, there's no real strength behind this move. So far, no real strength here. We just had a massive decrease of OI. Shorts taking profit, longs getting liquidated. Now we have a few straggler traders trying to come in here. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy, but, you know, this is support, and it's a valid long entry. And my target is 62.5. 62.5, baby. Let's go. 62.5. 62.5. Let's go. 62.5. Let's go. 62.5. Let's go. Shout out to Trade Against the Machine. Where would you look for a good continuation short if we pump out of here? Well, the first place, honestly, would be 62.5, the Fibonacci Golden Pocket, and the back test of that range POC, right? But we need some time. Continuation shorts, we would need some time. Let's do some TA, actually. Let's do some TA. So that's the golden pocket up to the POC of the range right there. Yeah, I mean, if we're going to get continuation short, this could be the place. You know, we just continue to make a lower high. $63.5, we're looking to come up. This would be target number 1 on this long trade. Market Cipher B, daily on Market Cipher B had momentum pivot, lower time frame looks bearish. Weekly and 2 weeks still look great. Yeah, let us see what happens. I need to get the Elon Musk Neuralink so I can type while I walk. Yeah, for sure. For sure, that's what I need. All right, let's see if we can't get up to 62.5. Once we get up to 62.5, I would recommend 62.5, TP1, half the position, stop loss to entry. You know, 2.5 to 1 risk reward right there. Can't go wrong. Make sure to like the stream, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Shout out to Splashfire Films who schlong on Antarctic Exchange. This is a rising wedge. Can you long now? I mean, look, nobody do anything unless you have a plan for it according to your own good risk management, all right? Overall, we're in a bear trend, right? This would be considered a knife cash long, and my take profit on my short is at 61,450. So I'm thinking we can come lower. If we get a move up here, I'm looking for the move to come up to this area and then give us another move to the downside, right? Yeah, not much of a CDW. Not yet, at least. CDWs have had slow beginnings lately, but that was a nice little wick. I do have to say, it was a nice little wick. Did we have anything else there? We had a naked time point of control. We already fell through that. Yeah, we'll remove it. Yeah. Well, preparing for war. Let's see how it goes, man. You know, let's see how it goes. Honestly, we do have BitBoy butt cheeks printing on the 12-minute. We could get a nice move from here. If that 24-minute gives us the green dot, that would be really nice. 24-minute green dot, and this could turn into something good. But for now, you know, it's wait to be seen, right? At least it's low risk. But, all right, guys, I'm going to head out, man. It's been 2 hours of a stream. It's been a great stream. But I got to head out. But that being said, God bless everybody. Thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing. I love all of you. May God bless you all. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.